Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is triangle and its property. And in previous class we take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise. Now in today's class we take and solve some other important question of your chapter triangles. Let's see the question and its solution. And the question is, if the angles A, B and C, if the angles if the angles A, B and C, A, B and C of a triangle ABC, of a triangle ABC satisfy the relation satisfy the satisfy the relation B minus A is equal to B minus A is equal to C minus B. B minus A is equal to C minus B. Then find the measure of angle B. Then find the measure of angle B. Now let's see its solution. Here, this is the very important question related to your chapter. Here, if the angles A, B and C of a triangle ABC satisfy the relation B minus A is equal to C minus B. So let's see. Since A, B and C are the angles of a triangle A, B and C. Okay. Since A, B and C are the angles of a triangle ABC, that thus we know that the angle sum property of the triangle, the sum of all angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. Thus angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Take equation number 1. Take equation number 1. And a very important relationship given amongst these angles is what? And one is given is what? B minus A is equal to C minus B. Now we can write B transfer that side, so B plus B is equal to A transfer that side, A plus A. Now from there, that is 2B is equal to A plus C, that is the value of A plus C is equal to 2B. Take equation number 2. Take equation number 2. Now the help of these two equations, using equation 1 and 2, we get now using equation 1 and 2 we put the values of angle A plus angle C in that relation, so we get 2 times angle B plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. 2 times angle B plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, so we get what? 3 times angle B is equal to 180 degree. 3 times angle B is equal to 180 degree. So from there we get what? Angle B is equal to 180 degree upon 3, that is 3 6 is 80, 0. Thus in this way the value of angle B is what? 60 degree. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. So dear friends, in this way, this is the process to solve that type of question. So using that concept, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay dear friends, now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see dear friends. and the question is, in a triangle ABC, the question is, in a triangle ABC, if the bisectors of if the bisectors of angle ABC and angle ACB intersect at O, at angle of 120 degree, then find the measure of angle, then find the measure of angle A. Let's see its solution. Dear students, this is also a very important question of your syllabus, and in previous classes we discussed the very important theorem, and or you can say that a very important result related to that topic. Okay, dear students. Now here what is given, let's see. Here a triangle ABC is given, and the bisectors of angle ABC means that angle, and the bisector of angle ACB means that angle, intersect at O means the bisector of that angle and that bisector of angle C intersect each other at point, suppose that O, at an angle of 120. So this is what 120 degree. We find the vertex angle A. This is the figure here according to question. Now let's see, since let the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Okay, let the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O, that is at angle BOC is equal to 120 degree. Angle BOC is equal to 120 degree. Okay, now what I do now, in triangle ABC, okay, now in triangle ABC we have what we have in previous classes. We in previous class of that topic, that chapter triangle, we have to show that if the internal bisector of angle A and angle B intersect each other at point O, then that angle is equal to what? Angle BOC is equal to what? 90 degree plus half of angle A. 90 degree plus half of angle A. This is a very important relationship between them. Okay, now let's see. So from there, so we write angle BOC as what? 120 degree. Okay, it's equal to 90 degree, right, as it is, and angle A by 2. Now from there we transfer 90 degree that side. 120 minus 90 is equal to angle A by 2. Now from there angle A by 2 is equal to 120 minus 90, that is 30. Now from there the value of angle A is equal to 2 into 30, that is angle A is equal to 60 degree. Thus in this way the value of angle A is what? 60 degree. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so please, this is a very important question of your syllabus, so please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, students, now we take and solve some other important question of your syllabus. Let's see. Let's see the question, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay. In a triangle ABC, if angle A is equal to, if angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 80 degree, and the bisectors of angle B and angle C meet at O. Then find the angle ABOC. Then find angle BOC. Now let's see its solution. Then find angle BOC. Okay, now let's see the from figure. Suppose that this is a triangle here. Here this is triangle ABC. Angle A is what? This is 60 degree. Okay. Angle B is 80 and angle. We find angle BOC. Okay, the bisector of angle B and angle meet at point O. Angle, this is the bisector. Okay. We find angle B OC. Okay. We find angle BOC and angle OCB. Now let's see. From figure it is clear that angle B is what? 80 degree. That is angle OBC is equal to what? Half of angle B, because of this is the bisector of angle B. So here we get what? 80 upon 2, that is what? 40 degree. So that is what? 40 degree. And angle BOC is equal to what? 90 degree plus half of angle A. So 90 degree plus half of angle A means what? 60 upon 2. So 90 plus 30, this is 120. That is 120 degree. So this is angle 120. Now in triangle BOC, now in triangle BOC is what? We apply the angle sum property of the triangle. This is angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB, which is fine, is equal to 180. Now from there angle BOC we put as what? 120. Angle OBC is equal to 40 degree plus angle OCB is equal to 180 degree. Now from there this is angle OCB is equal to 180 minus 160 is equal to 180 minus 360 is 160 is equal to 20 degree. Thus the value of angle OCB is what? 20 degree. Okay, so in this way you can solve so many questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take and solve some other important questions. Let's see. Now listen, we take and solve some other important question related to that chapter. And your question is, let's see the question. In the given figure, in the given figure, AM perpendicular to BC, and AN is the bisector of angle A. Is the bisector of angle A. If angle B is equal to 65 degree, if angle B is equal to 65 degree and angle C is equal to 33 degree, find angle MAN. Find angle MAN. Now let's see its solution. Okay. So this is a very important question. Now let's see the figure, and your figure is here. ABC is a triangle in which AM perpendicular to BC. AM perpendicular to BC and AN is the bisector of angle N. Here, let's see. Here, AN is the bisector of angle A. Okay, and angle B is equal to what? 65 degree, and angle C is equal to what? 33 degree. Now we find angle M. Okay, dear students, in previous classes we have to show a very important result related to that one. Here, dear students, AM is perpendicular to BC from its opposite vertex A, and AN is the bisector of angle A. Okay, then we find the angle between perpendicular and that bisector, that is angle MAN. Now first of all we write given angle B is equal to 65 degree, angle AC is equal to 60 degree, AM is perpendicular to BC, okay, and angle BAN is equal to angle NAC. Because of AN is the bisector of angle A, AN is the bisector of angle A, and related to that topic we have a very important result. So since we know that angle MAN is equal to half of angle B minus angle C. This is a very important result. We have to show it in previous classes. Okay, so now from there the angle MAN is equal to, we put the value of angle B is what? 65, and angle C is what? 33. So we get angle 2, 1 by 2 into 5 minus 3, that is 2. 5 minus 3, that is 2 now, and 6 minus 3, that is 3. 6 minus 3, that is 3. So now let's see 16. So dear students, in this way the value of angle MAN is equal to 16 degree. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so dear students, please do more and more practices of that type of result, and based on that result you can solve so many questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now we take and solve some other important questions related to that chapter. Let's see. and we take a question. In the given figure, find the value of x. Your question is, in the given figure, find the value of x. Okay, in the given figure, find the value of x. Let's see. First part of this question is what? A, B, C, D, that is 120, and this is x, this is 112. Okay, now second part of this question, dear friends. The second part is what? Let's see. This is the figure here. This is A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and this is 120. This is x. This is 110. Okay, and third part of this question, dear friends. Third part of this question is what? This is A, B, C, D, E, and this is 40 degree, this is x, and this is 52. Now this is the question here. So these are the very important questions related to your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see, dear students. So first of all, let us take and solve first part of this question. Okay, and the first part is what? Let's see here. In triangle ABC, first of all, let's see here. CA is the straight line. So first of all, we find that angle, and this is the linear pair. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 120, that is this 60. So this is what? 60 degree. Now, so in this way we get the angle A is what? 60 degree. Now we apply thus. We apply the exterior angle property. Exterior angles in triangle ABC. Now we apply the exterior angle property in triangle ABC. We get, let's see, this is the exterior angle ACD. So exterior angle ACD is equal to sum of its two opposite interior angle, means angle A plus angle B. Okay, now exterior angle ACD is equal to 112. So here we put 112. A is equal to, angle A is what? 60 degree. Angle B is what? X, which we find here. Okay, now from there the value of x is 112 minus 60. So we get 112, 60, subtracting them to, this is 552. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so this is the process to solve that type of question. So please just do more and more practices of that type of question. Similarly, we take and solve the next part of this question. Let's see. Now we take and solve the second part of this question, which is what? Let's see. In triangle ABC, here EBCD is a straight line, and so they form a linear pair. Now from figure it is clear that angle B is equal to 180 minus 120, that is what 60 degree. So this is what 60 degree, and angle C is equal to 180 minus 110, that is what 70 degree. This is what 70 degree. Okay, so angle C, interior angle C is what 70 degree. Now for finding the value of x, here we apply the angle sum property of the triangle. Now we apply the angle sum property of the triangle, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle A is what x, angle B is what plus angle C is what 70 is equal to 180. Now from there we get what x plus 130 is equal to 180. So from there value of x is 180 minus 130, that is x is equal to 180 minus 30 is what 50 degree. Okay, so this is what 50 degree. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so using that concept you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic triangle and its property. Okay, now we take and solve the next part of this question. Let's see. Now let's see the diagram once more time. This is your figure. This is A, B, C, D, E. This is 52 degree. This is X. This is 40 degree. Okay. Now let's see what I do. Dear students, here this is the figure. We find the value of x. Now let's see here. Here let's see here AB parallel to CD. From figure AB parallel to CD and DA as a transversal. DA as a transversal and DA as a transversal, that is angle D is equal to angle BAD, that is angle D is equal to 52 degree. Angle D is equal to 52 degree. Now in triangle DCE x plus 52, we apply the angle sum property, so we get x plus equal to 180. This is x is equal to 180 minus 92, 88. This is 88 degree. So this, in this way, the value of x in this for that figure is 88. So in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay, dear students, so these are very important question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, so now in next class we take and solve some other important concept related to that chapter triangle, mean congruency of triangles. Okay, thanks to all.